Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I have a very special video to share with you guys. Of course we are doing another unboxing because you guys know how much I love to do unboxings on this channel, but this is a very special unboxing and there's a few reasons as to why that is. The first reason is the fact that you, one of my lucky subscribers, one of my lucky viewers, are going to have the opportunity to win every single thing that is inside this box. So straight up, that is so brilliant. This is the very first giveaway that I've done on this channel, and I couldn't be happier to do this giveaway with this particular brand, of which we will get into in just a second. So very excited about that. Of course, to find out all the details of this giveaway, you are going to have to watch to the very end of this video. Okay, so the brand that I am showcasing to you guys today is the Business Support Box Australia. So the otherwise known as the bsbox. Very, very clever play on words, very Australian I feel, because we do like to shorten literally everything when you think about it. So well done. But basically this is a curated monthly subscription box that is Australian owned, and yeah, I just think that is just so fantastic, especially in this day and age with everything that's going on in the world right now. It is so important to, you know, look into your own backyard and support your own local businesses. So I was exceptionally excited and happy to get on board and work with this business when they reached out and asked me if I wanted to receive one of their boxes and of course review it for you guys. I was like, absolutely, yes, I would love that opportunity, because what better than to use my platform to promote local Australian businesses. Like, honestly, very happy to do that. So let's go ahead and get straight into this box. Firstly, how fantastic is the packaging? Just absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, it is absolutely bursting at the seams. This is very, very full. So let's get straight into the goodness that is inside this box. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally pull this across. So as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. I have now. Here we go. I feel sad about like ruining this packaging, but anyway, here we go. All right. So, oh my goodness, this is actually very well put together. Can I even open it? What is going on? Hang on.
A few moments later.
This is so well packaged. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go, guys. I got there. Ooh, ah! This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. And it's heavy too. Like, it is literally full of such goodness. Okay, so first off, as you saw, this little beautiful note that just popped off. And can I also just say, this is a wax seal and it has an Australian, like, look at that. Could you be more excited? Like, honestly, you guys know attention to detail is my thing. I love it, and I just think this is fantastic. So it says, thank you for supporting our small businesses. Did you know you are actually supporting between 6 and 10 different Australian small businesses each month? That is 120 each year. The other thing that I would like to note is the fact that the owner of this business actually goes out and purchases these products from these different businesses herself. So I think that is such a massive deal. So it's not as if you've got these businesses reaching out and offering their service, offering their products to be put into this box. She's actually going out and hand-picking these businesses and actually putting these boxes together to bring you these fantastic items and things that you otherwise may never have tried before. So really, really fantastic initiative, I think, on her part, and definitely an element of risk. So I love that. The other element of this box that I love is that we focus on female creators. So much of what you will find in here is homemade, and really the entrepreneurship of women at the forefront creating these products and being supported by an Australian business, I think is just such a wonderful idea, and definitely something that I feel anybody can very easily get behind. So yes, I think that all of those points is definitely a win-win-win. So if we go ahead and have a look at the first product that is popping out at me, we have got what I do believe is this fabulous looking candle. So let's just open this up. And can I just tell you, just from opening this box, the smell, oh, it's so delicious. It's just, oh, it's just such a beautiful, beautiful scent that is coming from this box. Now, this box is, of course, the October box. It is the Halloween box. And as I said in the beginning of this video, every single thing that I showcased to you today, one of you guys will be able to win this entire box that I am going through right now. So I think that's fabulous. So this is the candle and it says, "Smile till your face hurts," which I love. I think that is such a cool quote. Like, how cute is that? Now, it smells beautiful. It smells just like, oh, it smells just like vanilla. I do love a solid vanilla scent. That is just gorgeous. And do you know, when this burns all the way down, I can definitely see myself reusing this for sure. I'll probably put brushes in it, knowing me. But just so, so lovely. And what a lovely thing to pop on my desk. We've got this beautiful Himalayan crystal. Isn't that just stunning? It's obviously all homemade and I just love the detail that goes into this. I just think that is absolutely beautiful. So that's what it looks like. Himalayan crystal. The idea of this is to help with anxiety and detox the room. I definitely know where I'm going to hang this. I think it's just so, so beautiful. If you guys are interested in everything I talk about today, I will have listed in the description box down below, and I'll have the Instagram accounts where you can go ahead and find these items if you are indeed interested. So yeah, I think that is just so, so lovely. Okay, so the next item that we have is a sugar cookie, and it is Halloween themed, and of course it says on here, "Treat yourself." Oh, yes, I think I will be doing that. Now, this one here is just a vanilla fondant custom sugar cookie, and it has a beautiful gold detail up the top there, and you know what, we are just going to oh yeah, that is a good time. Yes, that is an exceptionally great time. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to save some of that for Phil because he will die. All right, next up we have got, that's so cool, we've got this bath bomb, and can you guys see the detailing in that? Oh my goodness. It is a skull and it smells delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, it literally, I actually can smell lavender in that. Oh, that's so beautiful. So this is of course a bath bomb. It has got black fig and guava. I don't know why I'm smelling lavender, but I can definitely smell the fig, that's for sure. How beautiful is that? I am definitely looking forward to using this, that is for sure. Really, really cool. All right. Okay, next up we have this item here. Now, what are you? What is this? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so we actually have got I guess a clothing item, and this would be like a head wrap. So I would say that you could style it a few different ways. You could do this sort of thing, or probably definitely what I would prefer to do, or how I would prefer to wear it, I should say, would be to do like a little cool, cute, twisty thing here. This is going, I need to actually pay attention to what I'm doing because otherwise I don't see this working very well. But you know, like, you get what I'm saying, like that kind of vibe. Probably I would do it a little bit cleaner than that, but I still love that. I think that is so, so cute, so, so cool. And it does say that this comes in a variety of different colors and styles, so very cool. I do like that a lot, and something a bit different, you know, than the standard things that you would find in a subscription box. So I love that. Very cool. All right, moving on, we have got a couple of other items in here. We have got a little soy melt, and this is called Pumpkin Crush. Oh, this literally smells like a pumpkin spiced latte from Starbucks. My whole life, like genuinely, that smells, I cannot tell you. I wish that we had the technology. Look at my hair now. Oh my God, what has happened? I wish we had the technology that you could smell this, because oh my goodness. This smells absolutely incredible, and I am 100% going to be burning this later on today. Oh my goodness. The other thing that we have here is a orange poppy seed. What is this? This is is this a melt as well? Yes. Oh my gosh. So that is an orange and poppy seed little melt as well. Smells amazing. So many like good little home self-care things in this box. I'm loving this. All right. Okay, so the final item in this box is this beautiful artwork here. It says Fearless on the bottom here, and it says bsbox Australia. And of course, we've got this beautiful Scottish Highland cow riding a broomstick. Very, very fitting. Now, they do actually feature an artist every single month in the box, which again, I think is such a lovely thing to do. And what a lovely little piece to display, you know, pop into a photo frame, just pop somewhere around the house. I think that is really cute and very, very, very clever. I do love this a lot. I did not realize that on the back of this card, it had this beautiful, beautiful quotes, all these beautiful quotes on the back. And so I really wanted to share this with you, because I think that, you know, these points are points that people need to hear, especially right now with everything that's going on. All right. So it does say, keep this inspiration card as a collective reminder to stay present on your self-love journey. This month, be fearless. Don't allow yourself to be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Roy T. Bennett is a quote by him. Be brave and fearless, knowing that even if you make a wrong decision, you are doing it for a good reason. Adele Atkinson. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the assessment that something else is more important than fear. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 80% of success is showing up, so don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Woody Allen. So fantastic. What a wonderful quote. And again, as I said before, absolutely, I was so taken away by the beautiful artwork, but also on the back you have some fantastic artwork of words, if you will. So how fabulous, how beautiful. And yeah, this is definitely something that I will definitely be displaying and keeping, you know, where I can read it with ease, because you never know, sometimes you just need those little pick-me-ups. And yeah, what a wonderful little pick-me-up this indeed was. Now, if you are wondering, this box is $40 Australian plus shipping, and it is just a wonderful, wonderful way to support local Australian businesses that are, for the most part, you know, led by women. So what a fantastic incentive for you guys to look into. All of the information will be in the description box down below if you are interested. And the other thing that I'll let you know is that if you are interested in subscribing, I do indeed have a code that will get you guys 10% off code. It is not affiliated. I do not make any money on this code. It is purely there for you guys to save some coins. So the code is RAW10, and you will indeed save 10% off your subscription box. So that's kind of exciting. Woohoo. Okay, so for those of you who have made it to the end of this video, I dare say you are now wanting to know, Victoria, how is it that I go ahead and win one of these fantastic boxes? And I am going to tell you how to do that. So, firstly, you need to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Secondly, you need to leave a comment in the comment section down below with your Instagram handle. And thirdly, all you need to do is go ahead and follow the bsbox Australia on their Instagram page. Very, very easy, very, very simple. And of course we will be checking, so be sure to follow all those points, and I will have everything listed in the description box down below in case you want to double check that you've got it all right. And we will be announcing the winner on both my Instagram page and the bsbox Australia's page as well, so you guys can go to both platforms just to double check who's going to win this amazing prize. Now, this will actually not be sent from myself. This will be coming direct from the BS team. So they will be the ones to get all of your information and make sure that this box is sent out to you. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank the BS Australia box team for sending this to me and giving me the opportunity to try all these amazing products. And secondly, for giving my beautiful subscribers an opportunity to indeed share in the fun and win one of their October boxes. What a fantastic incentive. What an awesome thing. So yes, that is pretty well everything for this video, guys. I really do hope that you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You never know, you might win a box. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to leave me some comments down below. Make sure you leave your Instagram handle so I can track you down on your Instagram and let you know whether or not you were indeed a lucky winner. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.